Hey guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez, coming at you with a Tesla stock update video. This is something today where if I'm going over Tesla, but I'm also going over one other thing. If you have a business bank account and you've been putting your money into an E-Trade account and it's not a business brokerage account, I would definitely 100%, 10 out of 10 recommend doing that just because it's easier for taxes. You pay less of a rate as a business owner than you would anything else just because you could write a lot of things off. So that's something that I did today as well, just to try to be able to offset some of the heavy burden short-term tax capital gains. If those of you that don't know, if you hold the stock for 364 days and then you sell it, short-term capital gains. If you hold it for a year and a day, 366 days to be safe, then it's a long-term capital gains. But anyway, as far as Tesla goes, I did not buy anything today. This is something where, again, I don't have a lot of money right now. If I did, it would be in Tesla or Teladoc. Most likely Teladoc, just because I only have a couple of shares with them. But also another thing would be Bitcoin. If anyone's following it, that does trade pretty much 24/7 because it is a global currency. I guess the dollar is as well, but Bitcoin is something that's just traded and used every day, especially when people like Elon Musk tweet about it, saying that crypto or Bitcoin is not as BS as fiat. And he's talking about the US dollar. Obviously, the US dollar is no longer backed by gold. It is backed really just by a promise from the US government. I'm not sure if it was Reagan or Nixon who had said that, but if someone like Elon Musk is talking about it, be damn sure he's had this idea in his mind for a while. Post all the memes you can below with Elon Musk. Press F in the chat on his Twitter feed. Anyway, let's go to the Tesla chart. Right, meow. Okay, so we were up a little bit on the day. It has found a pretty steady base. It was down so much this morning. It didn't reach the low that it did the other day at like 617. Not a lot of volume was traded. I think at this point, most of the institutions probably have everything they need, and they didn't have to all buy, although most of them probably did, on the date of inclusion, which was last Friday. Some of them have been trying to buy this week, but clearly not a lot. This is something where I've heard time and time again it's going to be a up and down year for them. Obviously, we'll know more when we have Q4 deliveries, but when Elon Musk says something like, "Hey, you guys take off from from the 24th and come back on January 5th," that means he doesn't need to have that much of a push to reach his delivery numbers. Some people are even estimating as close to 200,000 deliveries for Q4. I don't think it'll be that much. I think it'll probably be 182, whatever he needs to get to reach the 500 level. If he wanted to do an extra round of shorts, this would be the time. I missed mine the first time because all y'all mother flappers were trying to buy like 6 pairs. I digress. That's one of the things that I would wear to the gym totally. Outside of that, we do have some news on the Teladoc front. It's something that Kathy Wood keeps buying all the time. Outside of that, Northwest Biotherapeutics is up 6%, or really only 8 cents. It's a really very short stock. It's only $1.43 right now, but it's something where as soon as we hear regulatory feedback from their phase 3 drug that's already been completed, we're just waiting to hear on the feedback. Could go up to the moon, could go down to zero, because they only have one drug. Either way, guys, that's it for me. It's the real Randy Chavez. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm, but before I say goodbye, forgot to do this in the last video. Shout out to my Patreon members, and for anyone that does not know, we're all getting in together on a new thing called Earth 2. Wait for my other video updates for a new video. I love you guys. Bye.